Let go of me. You're hurting me. This man is not my friend. Remember, repeat, don't explain. Because explanation makes confusion around you. People around you might think you guys know each other, but you're just fighting, you're just arguing. So they won't get themselves involved. But you need to make everyone think like you don't know this person. Make yourself an uneasy target for them. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for the girls and boys who freeze when something shocking happens to them. You can't scream, you can't fight, you just stay still when you panic, and you most likely struggle to say a word. If that's you, I got you. I'm gonna teach you 7 ways to survive if you ever get stuck in sensitive situations. Remember, every victim has said, I thought this could never happen to me. So be prepared. 7 tips to survive if you freeze instead of scream. First, use your eyes to signal. Look directly to the people around you. Lock eyes with someone. It draws attention. Your stillness plus eye contact can alert others that something is wrong. Second one, drop or break something. If your voice fails, make noise with actions. Drop keys, knock over a bottle, slam your bag. Sudden sounds trigger instinctive attention. Just make sound in any how you can with your shoes, with your legs. Just kick something, kick a car if you're in a parking lot. Whatever you can do to make some sounds with your body, with your clothes. If you have a chain, you can use that chain to make any sound, any loud sound. The louder the better, to draw some attention to you. The third tip that I'm going to teach you guys is focus on details. Your silence is your power here. Your silence will buy you some time to focus. While frozen, observe. Shoes, license plate, tattoos, rings, accent, anything that helps you describe the person later. Anything. This one will turn your weakness to power. How? When you're silent, you have way more chance to notice all the details around someone, how someone look like, what are the things that this person can be identified with later on. If something happens, you know who the person was, you can report them easily, you can make trouble for them later on. So notice all these details. If there is anything on their face, a mole, a tattoo, anything that you can identify this person with later on, even shoes, even the clothes that they're wearing, especially plate numbers, especially the location around you. If there was anyone around you, just remember everything. Check if there is any CCTV around you, up, down, if there is any cameras around you, so you can use them later. The fourth tip that I'm going to teach you guys is repeat a simple phrase. If you regain your speech, use loud, clear words like let go of me, you're hurting me, this man is not my friend. Remember, repeat, don't explain, because explanation makes confusion around you. People around you might think you guys know each other, but you're just fighting, you're just arguing. So they won't get themselves involved. But you need to make everyone think like you don't know this person. Pay attention to that. The predator will make it seem like you guys know each other, so no one will get involved. They're scared of other people. They just want to stay silent. They just want you to stay silent. So you will be an easy target. Make yourself an uneasy target for them. So you will most likely survive if you're an uneasy target. The tip number 5 that I can give you guys is shift your body weight. If someone is trying to move you, drop your weight, go limp, or sit down. It makes it way harder for them to drag you and buys time for someone to notice. Don't just go with them easily. Don't be easily moved. Try your best to sit down somewhere. Pull yourself down, pull your weight down. Try to use the gravity not to be moved that easily, so they can drag you somewhere, to their car, to their place, inside any buildings. Make sure that you are not going to be easily moved. The tip number 6 that I can give you is use no body language. If you can't speak, shake your head, push slightly away, or make defensive gestures. These subtle signs can alert others that something is wrong, even if you're silent. Remember, your speech is not your only language. You have body language as well, so use that one to survive. Tip number 7 that I'm giving you is trigger a phone alert. If you can reach it, just trigger a phone alert. Press your phone's emergency shortcut. For iPhone is pressing the side button 5 times, or I guess the Samsung is the same. You need to figure out what is it for your phone and test it out with your friend, practice before you get stuck in a situation. And even if it's silent, it can send your location and call emergency services for you. So make sure it's all set. Even if you're not going anywhere, even if you don't expect anything, you still make sure that it's always working for you. You never know when something is gonna happen. I wish safety for everyone. I hope everyone is going to be safe forever, but you never know. You never know. It's better to see it coming always. You don't need to live in fear, you just need to be prepared always. So if something happens, I'm good, I'm prepared, I have been practicing for this day. Last bonus tip that I can give you is, if you couldn't do anything from above, like anything that I said, from all these things, it was not doable for you at the time, try to practice it. But if it wasn't still possible for you to do it, try to act confused or crazy. Try to act insane. Like start talking to yourself like there's something is wrong with you, like you're insane. That should work. That should work at the last step. I know it sounds weird, I know it sounds crazy, but just try to act insane. Like you lost your mind, or just insane, you lost your mind and you need to be hospitalized, like you're insane, like act like crazy. That scare people off. We can't really say every predator would react the same to the tips that we mentioned above, but most of them should work. And you're here to get educated, right? So try to practice them one by one for your own safety. Whatever you can do at the moment, you do it. Whatever you can't, just go for the next one, go for the next one. If you can do all of them, do all of them. If you're not able to speak, use your body language. If you're not able to use body language, just drop something, make some sounds, anything. Or at least use your emergency on your iPhone. Use your emergency situation on iPhone or whatever phone you have. If you can reach your phone, you're good. Try to always make sure that your phone is accessible. When you're going somewhere that's empty, when you're going somewhere that might be dangerous for you, make sure that your phone is always accessible in your hand. Make sure that you have it always in your hand so you can reach it if something happens. I'm telling you, if you're prepared, you will most likely going to survive any situations, because you are not going to panic that much. You are prepared. We're practicing for that situation, so you are ready. No matter how difficult it is, you're still better than someone who is not ready for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you never get to use this information, but if you do, how to smart the predator. We never know, it's better to be prepared. If you like my content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. See you in the next one. Take care.